Hello everyone, my name is Phil with the Go Sold Real Estate Group. This is Kevin.Belzer, and we are back again. Welcome to Surprise, Arizona. Kevin, where exactly are we at?
We're at 13422 West Ironwood Street in Surprise, Arizona.
All right, before heading inside this house in Surprise, let's talk about the history of the city.
It was founded in 1938 by Flora May Statler, and she came up with the name Surprise because she said, and I quote, "I would be surprised if this town ever amounts to much."
So talking about amounting to much, how has the growth been over the last few years?
Well, in 2000, we had about 31,000 people here, and now we are up to 141,000 people that call Surprise home.
That is a crazy growth pattern, and of course, later on in the video, we're going to be going over some of the growth and the shopping that came along with it.
Yeah, the biggest thing I learned from this is that Flora May was flat out wrong.
All right, Kevin, we are in front of the Costco. What are the hours of the store?
Currently, they're closed.
What? What?
Yeah, it's still under construction, Phil. So we're gonna have to wait a little bit, but it'll be open in the next couple months.
Well, that's one of the nice parts about Surprise. We're speaking about growth. Costco's a big deal for any city.
To me, it was the only thing that was really missing, because you know how much, with my size of family, that I love going to Costco. So yeah, you already had your Fry's, your Walmart, your other grocery stores, your Starbucks, your eateries, but you didn't have a Costco. And sometimes you just need a $2 slice of pizza.
Plus $1 soda. Now, as far as the actual highways go, there's the 303, but why is this house so close to it?
It's literally a couple minutes from the 303, so you can get anywhere in the valley very quickly. And with the expansion of the 303, even if you want to go to Chandler, it's only an hour from here.
Which is a big deal, because back when we were selling real estate 10, 15 years ago, that was not the case.
It was like 2 hours then. Yeah, it was quite a little jaunt across the valley. But now everything seems to be convenient with the 303.
Absolutely. Welcome to the inside of this beautiful house in Surprise. Kevin, let's talk specs.
It is 1,479 square feet, single level, 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a 2-car garage.
Great. And as far as the kitchen itself?
Open concept, vaulted ceilings, huge island in the middle. You could probably fit 6 chairs around this thing.
Maybe 7.
Maybe 7. Cram them in.
And another huge benefit to the kitchen itself is that it's right by the laundry room.
Yep, right by the laundry room. And also you do have a pantry in here, which I did not mention.
Nice. We are finally here in this beautiful backyard. Kevin, let's talk about some of the upgrades here.
The first one is probably the extended patio. It's around 30 feet. A lot of these homes, they did not even come with a back patio.
And a huge benefit of that, it's perfect for entertaining.
It is nice and cool out here, normally. You also have the mature backyard, so you have the nice grass, the plants, everything, and it's large enough for a pool.
Love it. And then last but not least, there is a reason why we're standing in front of the AC.
Yeah, we don't normally do that, but this one does have a brand new AC unit with the air purification system on it, so it scrubs the air in the house. And in a home that is 21 years old, that's one of the biggest features right now in the resale.
It's a huge big ticket item. Plus, right now today it's about $115, so having a new AC in the summer heat is perfect.
Speaking of which, we should probably go back inside and enjoy it.
Let's do it. All right, Kevin, what are we doing here?
I know this is not normal. We are behind the home. But what I wanted to point out, it was easier than just talking about it in the backyard of the home. This home that we're selling is right there.
Okay.
Okay. We have this huge buffer space that is a walking path for the whole community. What I like about it is you don't have a neighbor directly behind. You're probably a couple hundred feet to the next neighbor.
Easily.
To me, that's pretty huge. These are premium lots, and there's not a lot of them in the community.
Yeah, and one of the nice parts too about the walking paths is sometimes they're a little bit narrow. This one's wide, but the best part about it is there's tons of walking paths throughout the community.
There is. It's a very family-friendly, user-friendly community.
Great, and if somebody wants to set up a showing on this beautiful house, how do they go about doing that?
We make it super simple. They can call 480-305-6655 or go to our website, gosoldrealty.com.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have questions about buying or selling, let us know. And until next time, have a great day.